Okay, I got this gem of a power washer. It's a Generac 3100 PSI pressure washer. The customer states that the oil is filled with gasoline, so that means it's a carburetor issue where the float has gotten stuck, allow fuel to flow into the combustion chamber and down into the oil reservoir. So I'm going to drain the oil, pull the carburetor off, clean the carburetor, throw it back together, and test it out. I'm not going to go into much detail on how to clean the carburetor. If you want to see that video, the link is up top. If you like this kind of content, please think about subscribing. If you like the video, please give me a like. If you have any questions, shoot a comment below. All right, we got to take the carburetor off. We're going to start with the air filter. We're going to remove the bowl first. All right, so that jet is stuck in there. I'm not going to try any harder. I don't want to break the slot for the jet. So I'm just going to have to clean it in place. I just want to check and make sure that the fuel actually flows through this little valve here. So let's make sure it's in the on position. Yep, that looks good. All right. Take my little scrub pad, clean what I can. Clean out the gunk in this. clean enough. Broke off anything that will clog a jet. All right, that's probably as big as I can go. Now I want to make sure that the jet is clear. You can see beautiful. All right, now we know that the main jet is clear. Let's get to the pilot jet. Okay. So that jet was pretty clear. Shoot a little carb cleaner through it just to clean out anything. So because there was gasoline in the oil, I just want to inspect this little valve here, little needle valve. Maybe I'll run and polish this up. Does a nice job of polishing up that brass. All right, let's put it back together. This is as far as I usually run these. You can see that. Just to the point where this butterfly is cracked open. Okay, let's put it on the machine, test it out. So just for the sakes of testing, we're going to remove this bowl and we're going to make sure that the fuel does in fact turn off and that valve does seat. So we're going to remove this number 10. I'm going to hold it up. That should be in the closed position. I'm going to turn the fuel on. Runs. Off. On. Off. Seems to be working to me. Okay, it's the next day. I had to stop recording because the storm was rolling in. I let the machine sit overnight. Let's check the oil, see if there's any gas or if it's overflowing. Perfect. Let's check to see if it starts up. Great. I don't want to run it too long without water hooked up. The owner didn't leave his hoses for me. I'm going to call that a win. Thanks for watching, guys.